Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make a great typography poster in Photoshop. First, adjust your picture with elliptical marquee tool. After that, apply layer mask on your selected area. Now you will see transparent background. If you need to rotate your picture, you can. Now click on this check button. Click on adjustment layer button and select solid color layer and choose any color whatever you want, but I will choose white. Now type your text vertically and resize it according to your image. After that, select text layer and go to FX and then choose stroke. Select white stroke color and select 10 stroke pixels. Now make a copy of your image and drag it all the way up and delete layer mask. Clip this layer on the text. Now you can add any text to your image. It seems good. I hope you have learned something new. If you're facing any problem, then let me know in comment section. Give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content.